Good mid-afternoon, everyone. T-Speaker 222 with Swing Traders Anonymous. It's 2:57 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on the East Coast in the United States of America. And I want to bring you swing trade number, and I don't know what number, so I'm going to have to look it up real quick. I apologize. Up to 841 subscribers. Can you believe that? Holy moly. So we are going to do swing trade number 50. Ooh. So swing trade number 50 is AAVE. Run this uptrending support. The most logical spot if you're looking for a breakdown, if it comes down to 307 on the uptrend. Or you can buy it now at the 320, I think it popped a little bit. But at $329 level. I think it's at 330 right now. That's like, it's right where it's at. So I believe this is going to pop. You can have a stop loss down at 306, 307, or you could even do something like this at $317. And say if it falls through that, we know it's going to the uptrending line. But I'm looking to ride this, and I've been in it for a few days since $317. So I've talked about it briefly, but I think now is the time. And if you look at this in a bigger time frame, you can see what's going on here. In the disguise of a quick pump and candle pullback, you actually had this W form where you could actually be like, okay, is it actually from way up there and it's going to eventually come up there? But if you're looking at it realistically, you've had this W form, it pulls down, and then is it going to come up? That's what it looks like it's trying to do, and if it does, and this thing goes balls wild, this is going to be a crazy gainer. And I'm not up anything significant right now. Like I said, I'm up like $11 a share. Right now, I believe it's on discount because it's getting ready to move. That's what I think. So that's why I came on. I think it's important right now to come on because I think this might be the best price we're going to have because it's fighting right now. And we had the shakeout candle, and now we're having the hold candle. And we could have some fireworks going right now soon. The volume died when it was trying to crash. So to me, it looks very bullish. Everything looks good to me. That's my sub pump in the background that's going off. Again, it's raining really hard. So this is what we're dealing with here. So as long as we stay on this uptrend, I feel pretty good. So that's why I wanted to come with you at swing trade number 50, AAVE. And I'm playing it. First target up here at 300 and... Nah, it's not even in the spot I wanted it. I think I moved it on accident. I did. First target would be right here at 351. Second target would be here at 360. But these are just small targets. I'm talking, I think this is going to come up. And you see how it's playing out in the 4 hour. I think what we're looking at here is something that might do this. And it's already made that bounce on the uptrend. So I think we could have something that comes way up. And if it does, you know, you're talking about a little bit of a big hitter rate here in a very short amount of time. Yes, there's risk, but there's risk to every trade. But if we do just come up to here, but we're talking the 402, but we're also talking, there's a possibility if this thing takes off right, that this was just the start over here. And now this is going to be something much bigger, and we can 1x this sucker if it started going the right way, because we've got a lot of stuff to make up from the past part of this pattern. And if we could make out of this, I showed you the little 4 hour part, but this overall, if we could finish some kind of massive W here, you're talking about way up here, which I don't know if it's probable or not, but with the way this has been moving, it's kind of suggesting that we might be in for a huge gainer here sooner rather than later, especially how this pulled up. Now we came back and we worked the neckline of the W on a back test. That's ultra bullish. We crashed in volume while we were crashing in price. After we had a massive pull-up on the daily, we crashed in price and pulled all the way back down to the middle of the W. To me, we're lowering the flag and we're about to reverse. We're reversing as we speak. That's what it seems like to me. Like I said, I could be completely wrong. I'm not a financial advisor. This is just friendly advice from your old pal Tom. Make sure to hit that like button.